Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to arcsin of s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So first derivative of arcsin of s, we have number 1 over the square root of 1 minus s squared. So this one we change for u, and we have u to the power of 5. The s over this one we change for the u. So this one, that is about u to the power of negative number 5 du. And now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have negative number 4. This one we have negative number 4 about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.